Which of the following is a common method for submitting requests to generate natural language using a generative AI model? Using a REST API? B. Using a SQL query? C. Using a file upload? D. Using a command line interface? The correct answer is A. Using a REST API. REST APIs are commonly used to submit requests to generative AI models because they provide a standardized way to interact with the model over HTTP. What is the primary purpose of using a prompt in a generative AI request? A. To specify the output format. B. To provide context and guide the model's response. C. To authenticate the user. D. To allocate computational resources. The correct answer is B. To provide context and guide the model's response. A prompt is used to provide context and guide the model's response, ensuring that the generated text is relevant to the user's needs. Which parameter is crucial for controlling the creativity of the generated text in a generative AI model? A. Temperature. Latency. C. Throughput. D. Bandwidth. The correct answer is A. Temperature. The temperature parameter controls the randomness of the model's output. A higher temperature results in more creative and diverse responses, while a lower temperature produces more deterministic and focused responses. When submitting a request to a generative AI model, what is the role of the max tokens parameter? A. To limit the number of requests per minute. B. To specify the maximum length of the generated text. C. To define the model's training data size. D. To set the priority of the request. The correct answer is B. To specify the maximum length of the generated text. The max tokens parameter specifies the maximum length of the generated text, ensuring that the response does not exceed a certain number of tokens. Which of the following is a best practice when designing prompts for generative AI models? A. Using ambiguous language. B. Providing clear and specific instructions. C. Including multiple unrelated topics. Avoiding punctuation. The correct answer is B. Providing clear and specific instructions. Providing clear and specific instructions in the prompt helps the generative AI model understand the context and produce more accurate and relevant responses. What is the benefit of using a pre-trained generative AI model for natural language generation? A. It requires no computational resources. B. It eliminates the need for data preprocessing. C. It leverages existing knowledge and reduces training time. It guarantees 100% accuracy. The correct answer is C. It leverages existing knowledge and reduces training time. Using a pre-trained generative AI model leverages existing knowledge and reduces the time and resources needed for training, making it more efficient to generate natural language responses.